Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In today now I discuss with you how to set up the plan MRI of both orbit. First of all, you can see here the protocol, and now I set up the plan, transverse plan. So transverse plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Look here this image, and now I very carefully set up the planning. First of all, now I check the sagittal image, look, and now I change the distance factor, and now I check the coronal image. Okay, now I again check the sagittal image and showing here the parameters. Now then apply. Okay, now the next protocol and now the next planning. So coronal planning. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and transverse images. Look here, this one is the transverse image. Now I check this image. Look, and this one is the sagittal image. Now I check this image, and this one is the coronal image. Okay, now then apply. Now the next sagittal planning. So sagittal plan will be on the transverse and coronal images, and now I set up the plan, right orbit sagittal plan. Look here, now I very carefully set up the plan. Okay, look, this one is the right side. Okay, okay, and showing here the parameters. Okay, now I check the coronal image and set up the plan. Okay, our plan almost done, and now I check the transverse image. Now then apply. Now the next left orbit, same way, same procedure. You look here, now select the protocol and set up the plan, same way. Look, okay, our plan almost done, and showing here this image, how beautiful image. This one is the transverse image. Look here, and look this area. This one is the pathology in this patient. This one is the T1 transverse image. Look, and this one is the exterior coronal image, and this one is the sagittal image. Thank you everyone for watching my video.